Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add your JBL Quantum 650 to an application. The application is called JBL Quantum, and at first what I do recommend doing is to open the settings, scroll down to Bluetooth, and wait a moment, and pair your device. But at first I need to remove the previous pair, so wait a moment. Here it is, and now other devices, JBL Quantum 650. So at first, pair your device with your iPhone. So to go to the pairing mode, you need to pull this switch up for a few seconds, and you'll be done. As you can see here, we have now our device paired. So let me open my application, JBL Quantum. Here, if you grant every single permission, if you set it up, you can easily, as you can see, connect to your application, because it will be automatically distinguished that this is your device. To pair with the application, you need the microphone to be plugged in. So let me plug in my microphone. I think it's not a good idea, because if somebody's microphone is broken, one can't do anything. But when it's plugged in, we need to now find this button. This button is the mute button. And let me tap Retry over here. And this is a fight, I know, but here, let me hold this button and try to do this short pressing. This is a fight with the application because it just doesn't work actually, or it works where it wants to work. As you can see now, it didn't work at all. Let me tap again, retry. And this is a file that is had, and we need to just try until it's done. Now, Bluetooth pairing request, tap pair, and on your Android phone, the same thing should appear. Now we are done. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.